Dear students, welcome to s.mathguru classes. So our main discussion is homogeneous linear differential equation. Now we solved some problems. It was given in video number 1, 2, 3, and how to solve this problem it was given in video number 1. Now we consider the remaining problems. Solve x square d cube y dx cube 3x d square y dx square plus dy dx equal to x square log x. This is not homogeneous, something is less. Homogeneous means if it is x cube, this is order 3. If it is square, then order 2. But here something is less. So we multiplying both sides by x. Multiplying both sides by x, we get. So if we multiplying both sides by x, we get x cube d cube y dx cube 3x square d square y dx square x dy dx x cube log x. We get this. So putting x equal to e to the power z. This implies log x equal to z. Log x equal to z. And d dz equal to capital D. Now by rules of homogeneous linear differential equation, this is x cube d cube y dx cube, we can write this is d minus 1 d minus 2, and this one x square d minus 1. This is x, we get d, and y common, right hand side x cube means e to the power z whole cube, and log x means z. We get this. So this will be, so this type of problem, how to write this, it was given in video number 1. Is there any confusion, any problem? You can watch the video number 1. So this is d square minus 3d plus 2 plus 3d square minus 3d plus dy z e to the power 3z. This implies d cube minus 3d square plus twice d plus 3d square minus twice d y equal to z e to the power 3z. And all the terms will be cancelled. This is cancel, 2j 2d cancel. We get d cube y equal to z e to the power 3z. We get this. So auxiliary equation equal to m cube equal to 0. This implies m equal to 0, 0, 0. So what we get, roots are equal. Therefore, complementary function equal to c1 plus c2z c3z square e to the power 0z, or e to the power 0z means 1 c3z square. This is our complementary function. Now we find particular integral. Particular integral equal to right hand side by d cube, this z e to the power 3z by d cube. But here exponential and algebraic given, so taking exponential outside, if we taking exponential outside, then we get z by d plus 3 whole cube we get. just d equal to putting d plus 3. Coefficient of z is 3. In place of d, we putting d plus 3. This is the rule if exponential and algebraic given. Now this is e to the power 3z, z. From these two 3 common, we get 1 plus d by 3, this whole cube. And this will be e to the power 3z, z by 27, 1 plus d by 3 whole cube. This is e to the power 3z by 27, 1 plus d by 3 whole to the power minus 3 z, this one. And we know this binomial series 1 plus x whole to the power minus 3, then 1 minus 3x plus 4x square minus 5x cube plus dot dot dot. These are binomial series. 1 minus 3x, 1 plus x whole to the power minus 3, we can write in this way. So if in case of binomial series 1 plus x whole to the power minus 3, 1 minus 3x plus 6x square minus dot dot dot. So expand this 1 plus x whole to the power minus 3. In this expansion 3z by 27, 1 minus x, 3x, x means d by 3 plus 6x square, d by 3 whole square minus dot dot dot. But no need to expand higher degree because our algebraic is only z. Z means if we differentiate only one type, we get 1. Others no need to write. So this is e to the power 3z by 27, 1 minus d plus this is 2d square by 3 minus dot 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 z. So this is d square by 9, cancelling by 3, 2 by 3, we get this. E to the power 3z by 27 multiplying by z, z, and this is dz 2 by 3 d square z minus dot dot dot. So this is e to the power 3z by 27. This is z, this is 1, this is 0, and others 0. So we get e to the power 3z by 27 z minus 1. So this is our particular integral. Now general solution is y equal to cf plus pi, y equal to cf plus pi. This one general solution. So now I want to write here general solution is y equal to cf plus pi. This implies y equal to cf. Cf means c1, c2z, c3z square, and pi means e to the power 3z by 27 z minus 1. This. Now putting the value of z, means this is initially consider x equal to e to the power z, and z means log x. So this one. So z means c2, z means log x. This is c3 log x whole square. This is ez means x. This is we get x cube by 27. Log x means z means log x minus 1. This is e to the power z whole cube. We can write e to the power z means x cube by 27, and this is the final answer. C1 C2 log x, C3 log x square, x cube by 27 log x minus 1 whole square. This is the final answer. Very nice solution, very easy. Another problem, solve the differential equation x²d²y dx² minus 3x dy dx plus 5y equal to x log x. Now this is also obviously homogeneous differential equation because this is square, this is order 2, this is 1, this is order 1. So obviously this is homogeneous. So let x equal to e to the power z and log x equal to z and d dz equal to capital D. Now therefore this equation becomes, we can write d minus 1 3d plus 5 into y common, and right hand side x means e to the power z, log x means z. We get this. Now we multiplying this d square minus d minus 3d plus 5 y z e to the power z. This is d square minus 4d plus 5 y z e to the power z. Now auxiliary equation equal to m square minus 4m plus 5 equal to 0. Now this is unable to factorize. If we are unable to factorize, then we consider the quadratic formula ax square bx plus c equal to 0, then x equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by twice a. So if we are unable to factorize, then using the quadratic formula. Now here we are using quadratic formula. M equal to minus b, this is minus 4, plus minus b square minus 4 square minus 4ac by twice a. This is 2 4 plus minus 16 minus 20. This one 2 4 plus minus minus 4. We get this, and this will be 4 plus minus twice I by 2. This is 2 plus minus I. We get this one. So roots are complex. Therefore complementary function equal to e to the power 2z into 2 real part and I, this is a cos z plus b sin z. This is our complementary function. Now particular integral equal to right hand side by this one, d square minus 4d plus 5. Now here we get algebraic and exponential. Taking algebraic exponential outside, if we taking outside, then coefficient of exponential, this z coefficient 1, putting d equal to d plus 1, 4 d plus 1 plus 5 e to the power z by a plus b whole square, a square plus twice b plus b square, 4d minus 4 plus 5, and this is e to the power z by d square minus twice d, and this 7 6, this is my plus 2. we get this and this 6 minus 4 2. So this is e to the power z by 2 common, then we get 1. This is d square minus twice d by 2, we get this. Now we are taking this one in numerator. This is e to the power z by or you can write here also, this is e to the power z by 2, and if we taking this one numerator we get 1 plus d square minus twice d by 2 whole to the power minus 1 z. Now we know this 1 plus x whole to the power minus 1, 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus dot 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 in binomial series. This is e to the power z by 2, and this is 1 minus this one plus this whole square minus this whole cube. No need to write other terms because our algebraic is only z, power is 1. So power 1 means other terms no need to write. So we get this. So multiplying with z, e to the power z by 2 z, and this is 1 by 2 outside, d square minus twice d into z, this e to the power z by 2 z 1 by 2. If we multiplying with this will be 0, this is 2 into 1, this, and this is e to the power z by 2 z plus 1, we get this. This is our particular integral. Now general solution. General solution is y equal to cf plus pi. Cf means e to the power 2z a cos z plus b sin z, and pi just we get e to the power z by 2 z plus 1, we get this. And z, actually in your problem we get x and y, we remove z. Z means x, this is e to the power z whole square, we can write x square. A cos z, z means log x, we get log x. B sin log x, and e to the power z means x, x by 2, this z means log x plus 1, so we get this one. So x square a cos of log x plus b sin of log x, x by 2 log x plus 1, and this is our final answer. So I hope dear students you are all enjoying with this problem. If you are all enjoying, then please like the video in my channel, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.